Today we are here going to understand how to create an Express server. So if you see here, the VS Code is open. And in this VS Code, there's a folder like how to create an Express server. If I highlight on this, okay, and then there is a file and a folder which I can create. So here I will create one file called as a README. Okay, in this I will write everything, all the steps, how we will create an Express server. Okay, so let's see how to create an Express server. Okay, so now what we will do here is now we will follow certain steps. If we want to create an Express server, what is Express server or what is Express.js? Express is a popular Node.js framework. Now, to create a Express server, what we will do, we will follow certain steps. So we have to follow 5 to 6 steps. So what is the step one? So I'll just write down the steps and then we will go and proceed with in the VS Code with a live coding. Okay. So we will see in the coding part as well. So first step, what we will do, we will initialize. We will initialize a Node.js project. Okay. So we'll initialize the Node.js project. That is the first thing step we are going to do. Second step, what we will do, we have to install Express.js. The second thing we have to do is what? Install Express.js. Third thing what we have to do here is we have to create a file name. So we will be, after the installations, we will be creating a file, a name like index.js you can create, or you can create server.js as per your choice. Okay. Then step 4, what we will do, we will write the code. We'll write code in this file to start. We will write the code in this file. Whatever the file you are going to create it, over there we will proceed and we will write our code to create the Express server. After that, what we have to do is, after that, we will follow the next step. What is the next step? Then we will start our server. We will start our server. So we will open the terminal and we will start the server. Start the server. After that, the step 6, this is the last step we will do. We will open any browser. We will open the browser and we will again see over there whether it is running on that particular port or not. So we will check over there. These are the 6 steps only we have to follow. Now let us see one after the another what are those. So what I will create here is, now after that what we will do, once this is done, I'll save it, this file. And don't worry, this file I'll be sharing in the comment section, or in you will get it in the description section also. Okay, this will be uploaded in a GitHub and you can get it over there. Okay, now what we will do is, now we will open, now we have to initialize, we have to follow the step by step. So what we have to do, we will go for the first step, that is initializing a Node.js project. So what we will do, we will go to our terminal. We will go to our terminal, open the new terminal. And how do we initialize a Node.js project? We have to write one command line. So what we will write here? We have to write here npm init. Init means initializing and y means yes. So we have to initialize, we are saying it yes. So initialize it. So what we will do here is npm init space -y. So with this, it will initialize a project. So I will initialize it. So if I hit enter, you will see certain, like it will create a file name, description, index, create a script and everything. Now you will see this will create what? Package.json file. So this is my, after initializing a project, this will create a package.json file, and this package.json file will have your default settings. So this will have a package.json. This will create a package.json which has a default settings. Okay. Now, next. Now what we have to do, so we have successfully completed our first step. Now second step, what we have to do, we have to install the Express. So how do we install the Express? We have to do, npm install express. So this command we will pass over here again in our terminal. So npm install express. I'll hit enter. Now this will install my express in this. It will take a little time. So now it will get installed. Now after that, what we have to do, if you see here, once I installed, I got two files over here, node modules and package log.json. So we will get this two particular files. We will get our node modules, which has our express inside it, and we will have a package log.json file also, which is required for running of our project. So we will have this two particular files. After that, step 3. We have successfully done. Now, what is the step 3? I told you we have to create a file, index.js or server.js. So you can create any file. So let us come here. Let us create a server.js file. So here I will come and create a server.js file. I have successfully created a server.js file. Now, what we have to do here is, now we have to write our code, correct? We will write our code in this to create a express server. So first what we will do, we will write here, the first line, we will write here const express. We'll write here const express is equal to, we will require this express. So we will take this express and we will write like this. So we have taken this. Now what we have to do, we will take one more variable, const app is equal to express, and we will input everything from this to particular this app. So whatever it has, we have taken it over here, and here after we will be using this app again and again. So, and we want to start our server. So we will declare the port number also. Port is equal to 5000, let us assume. You can give any number and you can start it at any this port. Okay, so here it can be 8000, 3000. I am putting 5000 at present. This is our port number. So we have required this express, and now we are accessing all the methods of the express using this app. So we have stored all the methods in this. So we will be using now app. So now what we will do it after this, now what we will do, now we will define a basic route and we will start the server. Okay. So let's define the basic route. So I'll write here, define the basic route. So how do you define the basic route? We can just write here app.get. And in this, I will pass just slash. So this is the route I am passing. So forward slash, so it will start at 5000. And what here I will take one callback function. So here I will write request comma response, and I'll just pass like this. I'll create an arrow function, and I will I will just write here res.send, and in this I will write hello express. Just I will write like this, okay? Just like this. So this will what do at localhost, this will start. We will see this, what this is going to do. And now after this, what we will do, this we will start the server. Here we are going to write for the starting of server. So how to start server? We have to use here app.listen. App.listen. This will listen to the port. And here I will pass the first parameter over here is, I will pass here the first, here I will pass as a port. The first thing I will pass here as the port. And then I will pass it like this, a function, callback function again. And in this, I will just write console.log. I'll write here, I will use template literal syntax, and I'll write here server started at port number, and I will use this port which I have declared above. Okay, this I will do it. So now we have defined our basic route. This route we can check it in our browser, which I have told you over here, the steps. And the we have, and for this we are going to listen to our, we'll start the server and listen to this particular port number. So here we have successfully completed our step 4 as well. Now coming to this step 5, what we will do in the step 5, we will start the server. How we will start? We have created a file called as the server.js. So we will come here and we will write in the terminal node server.js. I will write like this. I'll save my readme file as well. And now here I will come and I will type node server.js. Now, if you see here, now let us see. The node server.js. You can see the message is coming. The file I created, I did not save it. That is why no message came. So I just do Control S. Now you can see server started at this particular port. Now what we will do here is, now let us check on the browser. I told you the next step which we have to do. So we will check it in the browser also. So now let us check in the browser. Now we will test it in the browser. So let us open the browser and let us type here localhost 5000, because we have written over that 5000 as a port. So now if you see here, Hello Express is coming over here. So Hello Express is displayed. If you come to the VS Code, the same message we have given here. Okay, so this is what we have tested in our browser also. We have tested in our server also. So it is getting started at both the places. So this is what we create a basic server. This is how we create a basic server using Express. So that's it for today. You can give me in the comment section what next video you wanted, and accordingly we can go ahead with it. Like this, small short videos will be coming over in this particular channel. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.